Hey guys, Gaston with Rough Country. Today we are taking a look at our LED projection headlight. This one is in a 5x7, which is going to fit the Jeep XJ, the Jeep YJ, and any other vehicle that came with a 5x7 halogen headlight from the factory. These headlights are going to add a modern touch to your classic vehicle. They're going to improve your visibility, and they're actually going to reduce the strain on your electrical system. The LEDs are highly efficient, and the difference between those and the halogen are night and day. The low beam is 6,000 lumens, the high beam is 12,800 lumens, so you're not going to have any problem seeing, whether it be on the trail or the street, because they are DOT and SAE certified. They are a nice compact projector style LED. They've got a good looking black background that's really going to set off the front of your vehicle. A simple plug and play design, and if for some reason you need it, depending on the vehicle, we also have an H13 and an H4 adapter that's included. We won't need those for installation on the XJ. The installation is very straightforward. First thing we're going to do is take 2 screws out of the headlight surround and get it out of the way. Once we do that, we'll remove the 4 screws holding the retainer ring around the headlight, get that out of the way. Then it's just simply a matter of unplugging the factory headlight, plugging in the Rough Country headlight, and then reversing those steps, adding our trim ring back on, and finally our headlight surround. And once we do that, we've completed the installation, and the front end of this Jeep is completely transformed. So as you can see, installation of the headlights is a real simple process, truly plug and play. In less than an hour, you can go from this to this, making a huge difference in both the appearance and the usability of your classic Jeep. So whether it be lighting options, suspension, interior, pretty much anything you can think of for your XJ, YJ, truck, SUV, side-by-side, be sure to check us out at roughcountry.com. Until next time, I'm Gaston.